Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is the 67 Camaro with a 396 under the hood. You can see that it's got the RS front end on it, and she is looking beautiful, man. The paint work on it is absolutely gorgeous. The body lines are looking sweet on this baby. Black vinyl tops looking good. And I tell you what, she's got a killer stance to her also. Just looking beautiful, man. She is gorgeous. Now these 67s are amazing cars. I'll tell you a little secret how I always tell. The easy way to tell a 67 is this vent window. 68 and 69 does not have the vent window. And of course the 69s have the grills here. Look at the interior on this baby. Looking beautiful. That door panel looks like it's brand new. Those seats look like they're brand new. The steering wheel, the center console. I mean, everything about this car is just absolutely beautiful. You can see the package trays looking good. Headliners looking good. Those dome lights are working in there. Man, she looks good. Dash pad itself's in great shape. Got the 3-pack of gauges down there in front of that center console. Carpeting looks like it's brand new in the car. First thing I look at on every car is the door jambs. That kind of tells a story on the whole car. How nice are those door jambs? Especially when they're restoring them. Anybody that spends time restoring the door jambs, you know they did a quality job on the rest of the car. You can see all the stainless and the chrome's all looking sweet. Always look at these tail light lens surrounds also. Those are one of the first things to go. The chrome on them is looking sweet. Get in the trunk. This is another area you need to look at on every car. Check this lip right here. You can just run your hand down that lip, make sure it's nice and smooth. You can look at the lips on the side here. See how nice and straight that is, how neat it is. You can see how the paint work down in here looks nice and neat. And then always pull up this mat. Make sure that floor looks good. Floor looks beautiful. Now, as you're looking down the passenger side, she is straight as an arrow. Like I said, Body Man did a beautiful job on this car. Now, Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So you can call him anytime you'd like. You can see the reflections in the paint. I mean, it looks like one of those, of course it's not flat, so it kind of looks like a funhouse mirror. I look like I'm only about 3 feet tall in the side there, but I can see my logo on the shirt. I mean, the reflections are beautiful. Take this to any car show, I guarantee you you're gonna be bringing home ribbons. Now, Tom does answer his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day, so you can call him anytime you'd like. He'll tell you all about this car. The first thing we do to every car is we put them up on the lift so you can check them out on the bottom side. Then we can do our pictures and we can do our videos. We also inspect them when they're up there. That way Tom knows exactly what to tell you when you start asking him questions. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the little bell button so you get a notification every time we get a new car in. All right, guys, let's take the 67 for a ride, man. You want to talk about sounding sweet, looking sweet, 396 under the hood. I tell you what, this is what you want, baby, right here. RSSS Camaro 67, big block. Take it to any show, you're gonna be the hit of the show. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this baby anywhere you want. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will go through the whole procedure with you, just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. We're gonna show you top, bottom, inside and out of this baby so you know exactly what she looks like when she hits your driveway. Get up here, we're gonna get out here on Sheldon Road, take her for a little ride, show you guys what she'll do. I'll tell you what, that big block rumble is just amazing. Now this has got some fairly quiet mufflers on it, so it's not real loud. It's a little more quiet than I like. I like to be able to wake up the neighbors when I fire up my car on Saturday to go get donuts. But that's an easy change if you'd like to upgrade those mufflers to some louder mufflers. Now listen to this baby. That's just an awesome rumble. Now it does have the 2-speed Powerglide transmission. As you can see, I'm going down the road here, no hands, going nice and straight. Just an amazing, amazing car here. Driving awesome also. When you do have to make a turn, we're just a little bit of pressure on the wheel, left to right. The brakes feel good. I'm gonna hit the brakes here with no hands on the wheel too. Stopping nice and straight with no hands on the wheel. Just an amazing piece right here. And don't forget, we're right outside the Motor City. This is where all the cars were born, right here. Matter of fact, Henry Ford's place is right down the road. You know, a lot of people come in to visit. They actually go down to the museum, check it all out, come check us out. We put a deal together. You get right back to the airport, get right back home. I tell you, a lot of people fly in the morning, come see us, and they can actually fly right back out in the afternoon. Makes it a real nice, easy trip. So we're gonna do something right now that nobody else in the industry is doing to all their vehicles. At Vanguard, every car goes up on the lift, so we can show you the bottom side. Of course, the bottom side of a car is just like the foundation on your house. It's the most important part. You don't have a good foundation on your house, you ain't got a good house. You don't got a good foundation on the car, you don't have a good car. And we're gonna show you that here in just a minute. As you can see down here on the dash, everything looks great down here too. Looks like the speedo's working, the tach's working. We got our 3-pack of gauges down there. All those gauges are working. You can see it's about 80 degrees today and we're running right in the middle of cool and hot. The clock is not working. Fuel gauge is working. Oil pressure and the battery gauge there also working. Horn works. Let's see, we got the wipers here. Wipers are wiping. She's all ready to hit the car show, guys. Hopefully you don't need those wipers. So we're headed back to the shop. We were just at our main location there. Actually, we're headed to the main location. We were at our secondary location there. That's where we store the cars. So we're gonna come back here to the shop. We're gonna get it up on the lift for you so you can check out the bottom. And don't forget, you can call Tom anytime. He's answering his phone 7 days a week and almost 24 hours a day. If you don't get a hold of him, he will call you back. Even if you don't leave him a message, he'll see that phone number pops up and he'll call you back. Don't forget, we're buying cars too. You got something for sale? Give us a call. Your neighbor's got something for sale? Give us a call. We'll give you a finder's fee if we end up buying that vehicle. Now here we are at the main location at 15100 Keel Street. And look at that beautiful 41 sitting out front. That baby's headed out to somebody's driveway today. Stick with us, we're going in the air right now. All right, we're underneath this beautiful Camaro, and it is beautiful on the bottom side too. Look at that brand new tank. Looks like brand new monoleaf springs. Got brand new bushings here. Got brand new exhaust. And look at the floorboards here. Look how nice they look. Man, it looks good. 10-bolt rear end. We just rolled it over and counted it. 323 gear, and it is Posi. Again, there's those mufflers I was telling you about. Those are a little bit on the quiet side. If you want to wake this baby up, I'd put some Flowmasters on here. But I know a lot of you guys don't want to wake up the neighbors. Personally, I like waking up the neighbors. We got a brand new fuel line here. We got a brand new brake cable here. We got a brand new brake line. I can't think of the words. We do have our drum brakes out back. The floorboards here look great. They're beautiful. We got brand new bushings in the subframe here. Cross members all painted up, looking good. We got a Powerglide transmission. This is the aluminum Powerglide. Everything under here is looking good. We do have disc brakes up front. Sway bar bushings look new. Ball joints look like they're new. Steering gear's been all restored, looking good. She is a beauty, man. This is all looking good here. We got great looking chrome on the bumper. We got what looks like brand new BFGs with brand new Cragars. These are 215/60 15s. Bottom side of the front fender's looking good. We got, look at this pinch weld. This is a 67 model. That pinch weld looks like it's brand new. Now out back here, we have two 35/70 15s back here. Now let's get under the hood and check out the 396. All right, under the hood here, we got a period correct 396. It's got the Quadrajet intake on it, and it does have a Quadrajet 4-barrel sitting on top. You can see brand new hoses, brand new lines, brand new wiring, good looking paint job on here. Even the exhaust manifolds have got a coat of paint on them. It's got that high heat, bare metal looking paint. Firewall looks like it's brand new. It's got a period correct distributor in it. It does have power brakes. That power booster is definitely new. The master looks brand new. The alternator looks like a rebuilt unit. It does have power steering down there at the bottom. You can see these hoses already have GM markings all over them, just like back in the day. It's even got one of the old style tops on the battery here. See that Delco top? That is just a top on a maintenance-free battery. It's got a cross-flow radiator in it that looks like it's brand new. I mean, everything about everything on this thing is looking sweet. Voltage regulator looks like it's new. I mean, the thing is gorgeous inside and out. Of course, the headlight doors do work on this RS front end. Bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. I mean, everything about this thing is there, guys. So give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.